whoever was in the race. Eamon, Mar, Eamon, bring over the donkey.
Put shoes right here, because we can't watch from the two of them.
We have a few Delaney's donkeys here. I see young Donnelly on one there. We're waiting. Mel Grimes is the starter here. I hope we don't have a second entry here. Another donkey has yet to be mounted here. Eamon Dolan having a chat with him here. Oh yes, he wants to go. Yes, Eamon seems to have mounted him. Or is he? Is another being led back to the starting line here now. We seem to be ready now. Mel Grimes with the starter's flag here. If he does this properly now, he might get back into entry. Yes, and they're off. And leading is young Grimes, and he's followed there. Shane Riley. Shane Riley's gone away into the lead there. Young Donnelly's finding hard to stay on. And on they go. And it's Shane Riley the winner. And down comes young Donnelly, and this donkey doesn't want to stop. Oh, what an exciting race this proved to be. We will bring you the first, second and third and the starting price of the race at a later stage. What an exciting race we had here today.
Watch the horse behind you.
Leading in the... I don't think it was the winning donkey, but she had a very great deal of fans there. Hello, girls.